Hey guys, this is how to add custom field in Manychat. So guys, first just simply go ahead and go to manychat.com and just simply sign in into your account and go to the settings over here on the left side of the screen. And now once you are on the setting, just simply scroll down and just simply go for the automation and just simply go to the fields. And now from here, just simply click on new user field. So just simply click on this one and now just simply provide the name of your field. I'm gonna go for test, for example, and just simply provide a type. So you will have your text, number, date, or date and number, or true or false, or array. So pretty much it will be depending on you. And after that, just simply provide a description over here. So this will be an optional. So you can add a note about the field for you or other admin. And now from here, you can choose a folder to save the user field. And if you want to create a new folder, you can just simply go to the settings and go to custom fields as you can see over here. And once you are done, just simply click on create and there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe and thanks for watching.